Hello YouTube. Here we have a Behringer Ultragain Pro model Mike India Charlie 2200. This is Sierra Victor 8 Delta Japan Whiskey. I bought this preamplifier, tube preamplifier, second hand, and the problem was that at first 10 seconds everything was okay, but after 10 seconds no output, very low output. So I inspected with my eyes and I didn't find anything. After that I changed tube with this Sovtek, very nice tube. We had the same problem. So I used the MAJIC spray freezer, and I sprayed exactly at that position that there is a BDX 53. BDX 53 is a Darlington transistor here, and it's 60 watt transistor without heatsink. It was here, now it is here, but it was inside there. So when I sprayed, the problem disappeared. So I thought to put it upside down from the front here, and I put a heatsink. After that the problem appeared again, so it was not the BDX 53. I left it here with the heatsink, it's okay. I sprayed again here, exactly here, and the problem disappeared. So here we have electrolytic capacitors, 4 1Ni 4007 diodes, 1Ni 4148 diode, and some other electrolytic capacitors inside here. I started checked with the multimeter and everything was okay. So I noticed that the joints here, every joint was not okay. So I soldered them again, and now it's okay. Now it's okay here. It's the microphone and the headphones are very close, and it's full output, both channels. The problem was on both channels. So if it's on both channels, the problem is probably the voltage. It was not in one channel, it was both. So now is everything okay, and now we'll put it again at the rack. Thank you very much. Sierra Victor 8 Delta Japan Whiskey.